Your business runs on data, sales transactions, financial records, inventory movements. Inside Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, every process generates valuable insights, but many businesses struggle with one critical challenge: turning ERP data into meaningful reports that drive decisions. That's where Global Data 365 comes in, delivering powerful reporting solutions designed specifically for Business Central. Business Central provides powerful connectors that allow data to be securely accessed through OData services, REST APIs, web services. These connectors create the foundation for flexible reporting and analytics. From here, organizations can choose the reporting approach that best fits their users and business needs. The first option is Jet Reports. Jet Reports connects directly to Business Central and enables users to create powerful financial and operational reports directly inside Excel. With its built-in query engine and direct table access, users can generate reports with full flexibility and control. Key capabilities include parameterized reports, drill down from Excel, automated report generation, and familiar Excel-based reporting. Jet Reports is ideal for finance and accounting teams who rely on Excel for daily reporting. The second option is Power BI. Microsoft Power BI transforms Business Central data into interactive dashboards and visual analytics. Using powerful data preparation tools, Power BI performs data cleansing, data transformation, data integration, and advanced data modeling. This allows organizations to monitor KPIs, track operational performance, and explore data through intuitive dashboards. Power BI is ideal for executives and managers who need fast visual insights. For organizations that require deeper analytics and scalable reporting, the third option is Jet Analytics. Jet Analytics builds a structured data warehouse environment designed specifically for Business Central. This approach delivers key advantages for enterprise reporting: faster report performance, consolidated data, consistent and governed data models, and scalable analytics. This architecture ensures consistent, governed, and high-performance reporting across the organization. Whether your teams rely on Excel reports, interactive dashboards, or enterprise analytics, we deliver solutions personalized to your business requirements. With our Business Central reporting framework, organizations can accelerate insights with 100+ pre-built Excel reports, 75+ ready-to-use Power BI dashboards, Business Central reporting automation, so your teams can start analyzing data immediately without building reports from scratch. With the right reporting strategy, your Business Central data becomes more than just information. It becomes a competitive advantage. Transform your ERP data into insights that drive smarter decisions.